Welcome. This is the Medication Tracker for Excel and Google Sheets. 4 steps and you're ready. Everything else fills itself in from your entries. When you open the file, start on the Start Here tab. It walks you through the same 4 steps you see in this video. Step 1. Add your medications. Open the Medications tab. This is the master list. Every other tab reads from here. 1 medication per row. Type the name and the dose. Form and frequency come from drop-down menus, so there's nothing to spell. Only 3 things are required: medication, dose, and frequency. Everything else can wait until later. Step 2. Set your schedule. 1 row per scheduled dose. The medication comes from a drop-down, so it always matches your list. Pick a time slot, then tick the days of the week. The days per week column counts itself. Step 3. Enter your current supply. On the Refills tab, count what you have, enter how much you use per day, and the date you counted. From those 3 numbers, the tracker estimates your days of supply and the run-out date, where it applies. Step 4. Log your doses. This is the daily habit. Enter the date, pick the medication, and choose yes, no, or partial. Time, dose, and notes are optional. A short note today can be worth a lot at the next appointment. And that's it. These next tabs you never fill in. The dashboard builds itself. Active medication, low supply alerts, and your next estimate to run out. Below that, supply status for every medication and today's doses straight from your schedule. The weekly tracker fills in from your daily log. Enter the Monday date once and that week appears. Before an appointment, open the doctor report and set the period. It gathers your medication, changes, and the observations. The summary shows counts only, never a score. Print it and bring it with you. One last thing. White cells are yours. Calculated cells are protected, so nothing you type can break a formula. Start with the included example file. Compare against it, then enter your own information. That's the medication tracker. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.